I am going to be completely honest with you from the start. I built this income system specifically because I did not want to work hard for it. Not because I am opposed to hard work, but because I wanted to find out whether genuine income was possible with minimum ongoing effort, using AI to handle as much of the execution as possible while I focused on the absolute minimum that required a human. The answer is yes. With important caveats I will share honestly. Today I am showing you the laziest legitimate AI income system available right now. Minimum effort. Real money. No hype. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What lazy actually means here. Before we go further, let me define what lazy means in this context. Because lazy does not mean zero effort. Building this system requires one focused weekend of setup work. That is not zero. That is real time and real attention invested up front. What lazy means is that after the setup, the ongoing weekly effort to maintain and grow the income is genuinely minimal. We are talking 1 to 2 hours per week maximum once everything is running. The upfront work is real. The ongoing work is minimal. That is the lazy system. Most income systems require the opposite. Heavy ongoing effort every week. This one front loads the work so that the ongoing maintenance is as close to passive as a real income stream can legitimately get. The three income streams in the lazy system. The lazy AI income system has three components. Each one chosen specifically because it requires minimal ongoing effort after initial setup. Component 1 is AI digital products on Gumroad. You create 3 to 5 digital products using Claude. Prompt packs. Content templates. Beginner guides. Each product takes one focused day to build. Once listed on Gumroad, they sell automatically without any additional work from you. Claude writes every product. Canva designs any visual elements. Gumroad handles the sales page, payment processing, and digital delivery. After your products are live, the only ongoing task is occasional promotion, which takes 30 minutes per week. Component 2 is AI-generated affiliate content. You create a simple free blog or newsletter using a free platform. Once per week, you ask Claude to write one piece of content that naturally incorporates affiliate links to AI tools you genuinely recommend. The content takes 20 minutes to produce with Claude. The affiliate links earn commissions every time someone clicks and purchases. Over time, as your content library grows, the affiliate income compounds from every previously published piece simultaneously. Component 3 is a minimal service retainer. This is the only component that requires any active client work, but it is intentionally designed to be minimal. You offer one small business a single weekly deliverable, one email newsletter, or 5 social media captions per week, at $150 to $200 per month. Claude produces the deliverable in 15 minutes. You review and deliver. One client. $150 per month. 1 hour of work per month maximum. 3 components. All running simultaneously. All powered by AI. All requiring minimal ongoing attention. The setup process: 1 weekend. Day 1 of your setup weekend. Morning, create your first Gumroad digital product using Claude. Ask Claude to write the complete product. Design a simple cover in Canva. List it with a description and price written by Claude. Afternoon, create your second and third Gumroad products. By end of day 1 you have 3 products live. Day 2 of your setup weekend. Morning, set up your free blog or newsletter on Substack or Medium. Ask Claude to write your first 3 pieces of affiliate content. Publish all 3 immediately to build your content library from day 1. Afternoon, reach out to 5 small businesses in your network. Offer your minimal service retainer. Show a sample deliverable produced by Claude as proof of quality. Land your first client before the weekend ends. By Sunday evening, your Lazy AI income system is live across all 3 components. The weekly maintenance routine. Once the system is running, here is the entire weekly maintenance routine. Monday, 20 minutes. Ask Claude to write 1 new piece of affiliate content and publish it. Wednesday, 15 minutes. Produce and deliver the weekly retainer deliverable for your 1 client. Friday, 15 minutes. Check Gumroad sales and Substack stats. Note what is performing well. Total weekly time, 50 minutes. That is the Lazy system in operation. 50 minutes per week maintaining 3 separate income streams. The realistic income timeline: month 1, mostly setup. Small initial Gumroad sales. First retainer payment. Perhaps $10 to $20 from affiliate content. Month 2, Gumroad products gaining traction. Affiliate commissions growing as content library expands. Retainer secure. Month 3 onwards, $200 to $400 from Gumroad. Growing affiliate commissions. $150 from retainer. Total, $350 to $550 per month from 50 minutes of work per week. Not life-changing income alone, but genuine compounding income that grows monthly without proportional additional effort. Add a second retainer client and monthly income crosses $700. The one thing lazy people get wrong: most people who try to build passive income make one critical mistake. They rush the setup. They spend 30 minutes building a product that should have taken a day. They write 1 affiliate post and expect immediate commissions. They approach potential clients without a proper sample to show. The Lazy system only works if the setup weekend is done properly. 1 good Gumroad product built carefully with Claude converts. 3 rushed products built carelessly convert nothing. Invest your 1 weekend properly. Be genuinely lazy every week after that. Your action plan starting today: block this weekend for your setup. Day 1, 3 Gumroad products. Day 2, 3 affiliate posts and 1 retainer client outreach. Sunday evening, all 3 components live. 50 minutes per week from Monday. Real income compounding monthly. What is the first digital product you would create for your Lazy AI income system? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a realistic low-effort income system, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.